it's Shannon. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you. So of course I'm always checking out the Dollar Tree to see what's new and to also kind of find some cool things that I think would turn into really cool projects. So I have some of that for you, some crafty things for you that I picked up, as well as my son is turning 5 in a couple weeks and he has asked for a ninja birthday party. So I grabbed some stuff from the Dollar Tree for his birthday party as well. So the first couple things that I grabbed are these. They're almost like wood or like particle board hard decor wall hangings, and actually I'm gonna turn these into something else. Both of these will be something different, so make sure you subscribe if you don't already, because as you know I do lots of Dollar Tree crafts, and then you'll get to see what these will eventually turn into once you subscribe. So I grabbed a rectangle one and a square one. Found these cute chalkboards. This was something completely new. Don't pay attention to the words. I didn't when I bought it because I thought that the frame was interesting and I could pop the inside out and use it for something else. I got 3 of these acrylic trays. I'm really excited about these. These are gonna go on my desk, and they're just little drawers with a little pull knob on the front, and they stack. So I got 3 of these. We'll see if that's enough. I might have to go back and grab a few more, but those were super cool. I was excited to find these. I got some of these. It's a 3-pack of clay pots. This is also great for spring decor. It is Floral Moss. I've already done a couple tutorials using this, and I will link both of those videos down in the description box if you'd like to go see how I used this on a couple Dollar Tree projects. I have some Spanish moss, another wreath, because you can't have too many wreaths, right? This is one of those willow wreaths, a 12-inch size. More of this rope. I am loving this rope. I just saw this rope at Michael's, the same exact size bundle for $3.99. So what a bargain to find this at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed some black markers, some alphabet blocks. Not that I need alphabet blocks, but they are wooden and they will be used for a project coming up. I also used these to create some Valentine's decor blocks, farmhouse style, so I will link that video down in the description box as well. Some double-sided tape. Then some paint for some painting projects coming up. These tarps, which are 4 foot by 6 foot, and I've used these for some painting projects already, and they have come in really handy and they work really, really well. So they're not super thick like the ones that you would buy at like Walmart, but they work just as good, and you can easily just toss them after you're done because they are so inexpensive. Maverick! Hi, buddy! Are you in my video? Thumbs up for Maverick. Say hi! Aw. Say hi, YouTube world. You're a sweet boy, aren't you? You're a sweet boy. You're gonna lay down next to me while I do my video. Alright, so he's just gonna lay down back there. He's such a good boy. And then a roller with a this is like a huge set. I can't believe this was $1, but it's got the tray, the roller arm, and then the roller that goes on the arm, a paintbrush, and gloves, I believe. Yes, and gloves. So a whole paint set for $1. Alright, so now for my son's birthday party supplies. He wants a ninja birthday party. We've been looking on Pinterest and I found some cute ideas that I think I can pull off pretty easily, and I was happy that I could just grab a lot of it from the Dollar Tree. So we're doing a black and red theme, so I grabbed black plates for the food, and then black plates for the cake, and then some black napkins, and I saw where you can kind of make a ninja face using the napkins, and some paper for the eyes, so that's my plan with that. Some red silverware, plastic silverware. I picked up black and red paper streamers so we can stream these all over the place. I also plan on grabbing some of those red and black helium balloons to throw up in the party. A red tablecloth, and I'm gonna use my silhouette to cut out some different black dragons and ninja looking things to just lay on top. So I will get the look of a ninja style without spending a lot of money on an expensive tablecloth. So just a red plain tablecloth, a number 5 candle. And then I was super shocked that Dollar Tree actually carries some ninja things. So this is just for the party decor. I'm sure he will grab them and try to play with them. And then some ninja guys, some ninja plastic guys that we either get sets places or possibly put on the cake. So that's all that I got at the Dollar Tree this round. It was probably another $30 haul. I cannot help myself in there. Let me know below in the comments, do you have that problem? Do you go in Dollar Tree and you're like, oh, everything's $1, and then you get up to the register and you're like, oh my gosh, I just spent $30 or $40 or more than that. Like, tell me, what's the most you have spent at the Dollar Tree? For me, I've probably spent like $30 or $35. That's probably the most. I think I get a full cart and I'm like, okay, let's just go. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit the bell as well so you get notified when my videos do go live, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!